Welcome to the cradle of Western civilization, Greece, a country brimming with ancient history, breathtaking landscapes, and a vibrant culture that beckons travelers from around the globe. Nestled in southeastern Europe, Greece offers a myriad of experiences that cater to every traveler's desires, from exploring ancient ruins to relaxing on sun-kissed beaches, immersing in traditional village life, savoring delectable Mediterranean cuisine, and embracing the warmth and hospitality of its people. In this extensive blog post, we'll embark on an unforgettable journey through Greece's iconic destinations, hidden gems, and enchanting experiences. So pack your bags and join us as we unravel the magic of Greece. Greece's history dates back thousands of years, and every step in the country feels like walking through a living museum. Athens, the capital city, stands as a testament to its glorious past. A visit to the iconic Acropolis, crowned by the Parthenon, offers an awe-inspiring glimpse into ancient Greek civilization. Stroll through the Agora and the Temple of Olympian Zeus, and you'll feel the echoes of great philosophers like Plato and Aristotle. Beyond Athens, explore the ancient city of Delphi, believed to be the center of the world in ancient times. The ruins of the Temple of Apollo and the Oracle will leave you in wonder at the mystical history of the place. Then, journey to Olympia, the birthplace of the Olympic Games, and stand where ancient athletes once competed for glory. Greece boasts a plethora of enchanting islands that cater to all kinds of travelers. Santorini, with its postcard-perfect sunsets and iconic blue-domed churches, is a dreamy escape for romantics and honeymooners. Mykonos, known for its vibrant nightlife and charming whitewashed alleys, attracts partygoers and those seeking a lively atmosphere. For those in search of serenity, the lesser-known islands of Milos, Naxos, and Paros offer secluded beaches, crystal-clear waters, and unspoiled beauty. Discover ancient ruins, quaint fishing villages, and traditional Greek hospitality that thrives on these less-trodden gems. Chasing nature's splendor, beyond its ancient heritage and stunning islands, Greece is blessed with a diverse landscape that promises breathtaking encounters with nature. The region of Meteora is a must-visit for its monasteries perched atop towering cliffs. Witness the magical sunrise over these spiritual edifices and experience a sense of tranquility like nowhere else. Hike the Samaria Gorge in Crete, Europe's longest canyon, surrounded by towering cliffs and pristine wilderness. Explore the rugged landscapes of Zagori in the Pindus Mountains, where stone bridges and traditional villages transport you back in time. Or, embark on an adventure to Mount Olympus, the mythical home of the gods, and conquer its majestic peaks. Embracing Greek culture is an integral part of the country's allure. Dance to the rhythm of Zorba at a local taverna, or attend a traditional Greek wedding to witness the joyful celebration of love and family bonds. Engage in a plate-smashing extravaganza, a unique Greek custom that lets you release your stress in an exuberant manner. Indulge your taste buds in the Mediterranean's bounty, relishing the delectable flavors of Greek cuisine. From moussaka and souvlaki to baklava and feta cheese, each bite unveils a delightful blend of fresh ingredients and authentic recipes passed down through generations. Festivals and celebrations. Greece's calendar is adorned with vibrant festivals and celebrations that showcase the nation's deep-rooted traditions. Experience the pomp and grandeur of the Greek Orthodox Easter, marked by candlelit processions and fireworks. Join in the revelry of the Athens Epidaurus Festival, a celebration of arts and culture with theatrical performances and music events in ancient theaters. Greece's tranquil landscapes and crystal-clear waters offer the perfect backdrop for rejuvenation and wellness. From therapeutic hot springs in Adipsos to luxurious spa resorts on the Athenian Riviera, the country embraces a holistic approach to healing and relaxation. Partake in yoga retreats amidst nature's beauty or practice meditation on secluded beaches as the sound of gentle waves soothes your soul. Whether it's an invigorating massage or a leisurely swim in the Aegean Sea, Greece's serene ambience fosters well-being and a sense of peace. Greece is renowned for its warm and welcoming people, whose hospitality will leave a lasting impression on your heart. Engage in heartfelt conversations with locals, and you'll uncover their passion for sharing stories, traditions, and their love for their homeland. Whether staying in a boutique hotel overlooking the sea, a quaint family-run guest house in a mountain village, or a luxury resort on an exclusive island, the genuine care and warmth of Greek hosts will make your stay truly unforgettable. Greece, a land of myth and magic, blends ancient wonders with natural beauty and the spirit of its people. From the grandeur of Athens to the tranquility of its islands and the hospitality of its inhabitants, this Mediterranean gem promises an immersive experience like no other. As you traverse the remnants of ancient civilizations and revel in the splendor of nature, you'll discover the timeless allure of Greece, a destination that captures not only your imagination but also your heart. So, let your wanderlust guide you to Greece, where every step is an adventure and every moment a treasured memory. Yasu and Kalotaxi cheers and bon voyage on your Greek odyssey. Resorts of Greece, luxurious escapes amidst nature's beauty. Greece is dotted with a plethora of luxurious resorts that cater to travelers seeking the ultimate retreat amid stunning natural landscapes. From beachside paradises to mountain hideaways, each resort offers a unique experience, combining modern amenities with traditional charm. Costa Navarino, Messenia, located in the southwestern Peloponnese, Costa Navarino boasts two world-class resorts, the Romanos, a luxury collection resort, and the western resort Costa Navarino. Set amidst olive groves and pristine beaches, these resorts offer golf courses, rejuvenating spas, and a plethora of outdoor activities. Ilanda Beach Hotel and Villas, Crete, situated on the island of Crete, this luxury resort overlooks the sparkling Mirabello Bay. Known for its impeccable service and private pools in some villas, Ilanda Beach Hotel and Villas promises an unforgettable Mediterranean escape. Amanzoe, Porto Heli, nestled in the Peloponnese overlooking the Aegean Sea, Amanzoe is an exclusive resort exuding tranquility and elegance. Surrounded by olive groves, this resort offers lavish villas with private pools and an exquisite spa. Grace Santorini, perched on the cliffs of Santorini, Grace Santorini offers breathtaking views of the caldera and legendary sunsets. Known for its minimalist design and personalized service, this boutique resort is a haven for couples seeking romance and relaxation. Blue Palace, a luxury collection resort and spa, Crete, with stunning views of Spinalonga Island, Blue Palace offers an array of luxurious accommodations and exceptional dining options. The resort's private beach and infinity pools make it an ideal choice for an opulent seaside getaway. Restaurants and Foods of Greece, a gastronomic adventure, Greek cuisine is renowned for its fresh, flavorful ingredients and the way it reflects the country's rich culinary history. Whether you're dining at a local taverna, a family-run eatery, or an upscale restaurant, you'll be tantalized by the diverse flavors of Greek food. Moussaka, a beloved Greek dish made with layers of eggplant, minced meat, potatoes, and bechamel sauce, baked to perfection. It's a comforting and flavorful meal. Souvlaki, grilled skewers of seasoned meat, often pork, chicken, or lamb, served with pita bread, vegetables, and tangy tzatziki sauce. Spanakopita, a delicious spinach and feta cheese pie wrapped in flaky phyllo pastry. It's a popular appetizer or snack. Greek salad, Horiatiki, a refreshing salad made with tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, onions, and feta cheese, drizzled with olive oil and sprinkled with oregano. Dalmades, grape leaves stuffed with a flavorful mixture of rice, herbs, and sometimes minced meat. They are often served as appetizers. Terra Masalata, a creamy dip made from fish roe, olive oil, lemon juice, and breadcrumbs. It's typically served with bread or pita. Baklava, a decadent dessert made with layers of phyllo pastry, chopped nuts, and sweet syrup or honey. Cuisines of Greece, a journey through regional specialties. Greek cuisine is diverse, and each region offers its own set of unique dishes and culinary traditions. Cretan cuisine. The island of Crete is known for its healthy and flavorful dishes, including dakos, rusk salad with tomatoes and cheese, kalatsunia, cheese or herb-filled pastries, and snails cooked in a variety of ways. Santorini cuisine. The volcanic island of Santorini offers specialties like fava, split pea puree, tomato keftides, fried tomato fritters, and fresh seafood dishes with ingredients sourced from the surrounding Aegean Sea. Peloponnesian cuisine. The Peloponnese region is famous for its succulent oranges, honey, and olive oil. Don't miss trying pastili, a traditional sweet made from sesame seeds and honey. Thessaloniki cuisine. This northern city is renowned for its mezzides, small dishes, culture. Try bogatsa, a savory pastry filled with cheese, meat, or spinach, and kalouri, a circular bread covered in sesame seeds. Ionian cuisine. The Ionian Islands are known for their Italian-influenced dishes. Try sofrito, thinly sliced beef with a garlic and wine sauce, and bruschetto, spicy fish stew. A feast for the senses, exploring the resorts, restaurants, foods, and cuisines of Greece is a culinary journey that will leave you enchanted and satiated. From the opulent resorts offering luxurious retreats amidst natural beauty to the vibrant tapestry of Greek flavors and regional specialties, Greece promises a feast for the senses that will stay with you long after you bid farewell to this magical Mediterranean paradise. So, set out on a gastronomic adventure, and let the spirit of Greek hospitality and the tantalizing aromas of Greek cuisine embrace you in a warm embrace that will forever tie you to the heart of Greece.